What's up, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I'm standing here next to this ridiculous GT3 RS, the fastest 911 Porsche makes. This thing is not just about power and speed though. There's some beautiful style with this car that I'm just excited to check out. First of all, this little ducktail spoiler right here, little homage to the Carrera RS's of yore. Porsches now went from clean design to having lots of fins and holes and all sorts of great stuff. I just love this rear splitter. Again, this is such a huge trend now to separate panels from the body and create space in the design. Look at these beautiful cross-spoke alloys. Just amazing, especially with the contrasting red lug nuts. Just fantastic. Center lock wheels, but here, this is what I love. You get a completely different looking wheel up front with Aero discs, with the GT3 RS center lock. This is just beautiful. And I tell you, it's interesting to see cars go from shiny, blingy to this monochromatic, flat appearance. I just love it because there's lots of opportunities to play with color, to play with contrast. Check out this carbon fiber weave right here. Why paint over it? Let the clarity show through. Put a little clear coat on, show the beauty of it. My other favorite part is just these gorgeous fins. You could have just opened it, but hey, let's make it look beautiful. What do you think of this GT3 RS? What are your thoughts? Download the Throdle app, check me out on I Would Buy This Ride on Throdle, and we'll see you soon.